The ages of the dance workshop participants are 7, 13, 8, 5, 9, 12, 13, 17, 15, and 16. What is the median? Okay, so when we say median, this is just the middle term if we arrange the ages from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Okay, so let us arrange. Let us arrange the numbers. So the lowest is 5. So we have 5. Next is 7. And then we have 8. Next is 9. And then we have 12. Then we have 2 13s. 2 13s. Then we have 15, 16, 17. So we have 15, 16, and 17. So what is the middle term of this? So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that means we will get the average of the two middle terms. So we have the middle terms are 12 and 13. So let's get the average of 12 and 13. So the average of that is 12.5. So the correct answer is letter B. Or we can solve this by 12 by adding 12 plus 13 and then divided by 2. So that is equal to 25 divided by 2. That is 12.5. Follow me for more content like this.